You just listen to something, go and sit on net too and insult me. Say me blackmailing President Mahama. Say Nyanko Power show her no on dire. He should strike all of us. The obetron try to me so Mrs. Agrada crowd boma. Say Papa was show her. Why? I don't know what you want to say over every so. Am I your classmate? I'm your daughter. Do you have to even have me whole time to go and sit on net too? Nyangwa Wednesday, Opa Oba, for documents are dear Mabra, and memo money me that I don't care. I am not a virgin, and I did me no me man for so. Me were 29 years. I am proud of whatever I have achieved and the mistakes I've made in my life. I am proud. I am a dresser who can say, me tell what to bomb it and then Yamia me a free moon. I come at Obia pain, Obia was story pain. So please, leave me out of your issue. Leave me out. Nigel Gaze, women and Nigel Gaze in one another. Nigel Gaze, why pata? Please, leave my issue. I beg you. When you will end this your problem, Dada. Jaja, who you know? Any Lodina Mama, Mama Lodina Muhammad, show us soon. What have I done? My day. What is all this? Now my boyfriend to home, me relationship. Me, I am moving on with my life. Then you go and sit on your TV station to create problem for me? What is this? Aden, because the enemy can say mommy can say biamuno, and not teach say, Mama Kennedy Agyapong on the TV so the dim at I can all sort of things to me. Why? Aden said your mama giant no for your person or the baby or the baby also the obedient. There is nothing there called obedient. There is no audio, there is no video. I don't have anything to do with the former president. Enough is enough. I don't have anything to do with him. Aden, who is shiny man? He said your mama. Me benchla, ni he said your mama. Aden, you are creating problems for me. Stop it. Aden. I try to ignore, but the way you are going too far with my issue. What is it? Oh no, Tracy Boakye, tell you one to Ufi Kennedy Agyapong. Ufiti yana nyamishra war. Obia was story in life. Everybody has a story in life, and I am proud of who I am today. I am proud of who I am today. Same blackmailia, Nyankopong, ma won shrabi biam. Same me blackmailia. Now catch me say baby, papa no baby your mama di me frebe do say me ya me sa. Ada yes sada me tie. I don't have anything to do with President Mama. Please. I don't have anything. Is it because he be a kosuna my dinana? Because I've been advised to keep quiet. Enough is enough. Ukumi na wonya me nkumi biem. Bopa ni me kume. Ukumi na. Ubesa benyam yakumi ochena. Why? Aden, we young back to say me, Jeffrey me ho. Leave my issue. Kennedy Agyapong, leave my issue. Obia what the problem. Don't leave yours and come and talk about me. Leave my issue, please. Aden, and I'm telling bomb it talk. What does show on TV? It's in my life, you know. So go from the topic, Nebra. You are still on TV. Go and bring my topic back. And I'm telling bomb it Tracy Boakye now free Kumasi. Me free Kumasi. I'm not playing Agyapong. Now I'm not that form. And I'm stressed already. But I'm your breath for. Said that be also your breath for. Me your breath for. Busa be on me. Busa be on me. My son from me crab. Me your breath for. But I'm not just me from Peninsula. Obey me free. I make good use of employment. Me your breath for, but over me life, when I say me was catch up, I'm because I'm dating you. That is me. Me blackmail your mama, said your mama, why am I dying? I don't know, mama, papa, ain't having a peace of mind, no one in the campaign. Go put this on her mouth, I'm coming, okay?
I learned how to carry her.
No, don't carry her. Just put it on my mouth, I'm coming, okay?
I'm not sure how I carry her.
Don't carry her.
Fine.
Good boy. Obi oni mi bia nim how I me your breath for.